Alright, so this is my basement area. It's been about an hour. It's nice and toasty down here. Pumps a lot of heat up the stairway though. Doesn't really disperse it out the sides, just over the top here. Everything works perfectly fine. Manual shut off. Open this up. Push this in. Use my foot here. Turn this. Brings up the little thing. So it touches. Starts up. Close it up. You can lower the flame. Raise the flame. Make it hotter. It's been burning for about an hour. That's what the fuel gauge looks like. All around, I think it works pretty well. Nice and toasty.